Max.
Oh ndate kozo yeboye mantwe. Oh ndate oh yeboye mantwe. Oh kanke ke masanda wana kanke ke mako. Oh kanke ke masanda wana kanke ke mako. Oh ndate kozo yeboye mantwe. Oh ndate oh yeboye mantwe. Brother yaka.
Yes.
Mangibina ye ngicula le ngoma. Emnyama iye yalimalela emzini wenye indoda.
Danko. Yeah.
Straight talk.
Yes.
Doesn't break a relationship.
Danko.
I-Orlando Pirates iye yalimala yazolimalela emzini wenye indoda.
Danko.
Umbuzo kubalandeli bePirates sishiya kanjani iarena sisalimaza abantu sifunana emzini wenye indoda buka manje silimele la sibheke khona empumelelweni sizolimalela emzini wenye indoda iyahleka khona manje enye ithi ngaphezulu ngaphasi ayisazazi nokuthi izothini but engizocela kumqeqeshi kwi-management this is a challenge. I told you and last ngathi game by game play like a cup final but the mistake management and the coach did ukunyanza uMakgopa. You can't une national player striker first national striker first choice ugrome ingane encane umbutuma kumele alene uMakgopa so that azena yakena abe fit abe lonto ukuthi waye bencha uMakgopa sesikendlela nje leni indlela inzima idinga uMakgopa mayingene ground no everyone there know ukuthi kuzomakwa ko defenders will relax. That mistake my coach Abdullah Ncikazi, please verify your mistake, guys. Verify your mistake, please. Kusase early, please. Lungisa lo maphutha. uMakgopa akabe irregular until imidlalo yePirates le Betway isele iziphele. You can take it iBetway, but manzonyanza istrakani naso ni chrome. Now there's no time to chrome. Uma umbuthuma mfakeni azolena ukuthi the best udlala kanjani. Please angibabonga abalandeli bePirates. Ngizama namhlanje during the week it's a Wednesday but the support esithole la engibone la eFNB is amazing. Beautiful. So mabhakaniya let's continue siroke sidlale plan number 12 but not ukuthi masabalandeli ama mistake aswazi no ibhola siyadlala sisupporta nje ibhola siyadlala la umanga uAbdullah benoncikazi bebangilalela iBetway sizoyithatha awukwazi ukusafara une striker represent a national team. You can't. Yeah, please rectify your mistakes. Siyayifuna le Betway uyabona Sundowns pick up engathi yazi ama chances atholwa imbutuma before 10 minutes okumele bakuthi umbutuma ungcwabe isundowns mayiphuma ama chances imbutuma lizowela uTito 4 goals before 20 minutes bokumele bakuthi asiqedile. Can you imagine ba lama chances ube khona ungwana sisi bokuzokwenzekani
kube kuphelile igame iphele nge-first half.
Anyway ngoba iPirates siyayithanda uthando lwamahala for free we continuing to support them but abazi ukuthi sokusempini manje abangathi izikhali beziphethe babe nonusa ngama toys mawuphethe R1 sebenzisa R1 mawuphethe AK sebenzisa AK. There's no time for 9mm uphethe R1 AK sebenzisa lezo zikhali onazo siwin bafowethu. Sayibonga kakhulu inhlelo zenu zokuthi nisiphe ama chances ukuthi sisende ama message nama feelings wethu because just abathandi bebhola siyafisa ukuthi kurock nje rock siyathanda kakhulu uhlelo sithi liqhubeke lumnandi liyasaka and then nama message wethu ngifuna ukutshena lokho njengikhuluma la aweke ukuthi ukhoze uyawalandela ama channel awunjuku
sengiyazi manje sengiyazi
yeah awunjuku Dr. Awunjuku yawalandela lamahlelo and then futhi wenza sure ukuthi izinto ezakha i-team uyababiza abaphatha sit down ake nibuke lapho ukuthi bathina abalandeli ngifuna ukuthi ke continue guys ninikeze iSouth Africa yonke ninikeze iAfrica yonke ninikeze the whole world lento eniyenza abafethu inkulu kakhulu ningayithatha for granted. Thank you very much. Mabakane asithi once a pirate
Always a pirate. Thank you, Baba Jwaka. Siyabonga. Thank you for it.